Greetings, South African citizens. It is my job to introduce a critical campaign, Hands-Off Firearm Training. My name is Jonathan Deal, and I'm the founder and leader of Safe Citizen. South Africans need to know this. A major change is being proposed to our firearm training system, and it will affect everyone in South Africa. This is not just about gun owners. It affects private citizens, security officers, training providers, businesses, and public safety as a whole. If the current system of professional and lawful firearm training is weakened by being exposed to low standards, corruption, and poor management, the consequences are serious. The present level of safety and competence of civilians and security officers will fly out of the window. As we have seen with other functioning systems that have been messed up by the government, fewer and fewer people will access proper training, pressure on legitimate training providers will grow, and unsafe alternatives will fill the gap. Our present training system is safe, credible, and properly quality assured. Safe Citizen is calling for one simple thing from government: pause immediately, review, consult, and get it right. And one simple thing from you, the public: join Safe Citizen, get involved in spreading this message. Subscribe to dearsouthafrica.co.za and be ready to ignite the campaign in your circle of influence. Because when training standards are weakened, public safety is weakened, and that will affect us all.